Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube name in 2021. So let's get started. You're going to go onto your YouTube app on your phone, and then you're going to click on your profile picture at the top right. I'm going to click on that, and then you'll see the section where it says your channel. So click on your channel. And now you'll see all of your uploads, your current channel name. Right now I'm going under Spath Guides, but you can see edit channel or manage videos. Click on edit channel. And at the top, you can see that your current YouTube name, mine is Spath Guides. So we're gonna edit that by clicking that pencil icon to the right. And now you could change your YouTube name to whatever you want it to be. So let's say I want it to be Epic Guy 69 if I wanted that to happen, but I don't. So we're going to change it to my new YouTube name that I'm going under on this channel, which is iSpathy. So after you entered your new YouTube name, you see at the top right that check mark. So we're going to click on that check mark there. And now you can see that our current YouTube name is iSpathy. Going back, you'll see that change from Spath Guides to iSpathy, which is the new YouTube channel name. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Let me know where you're changing your YouTube name to be in the future. And for more tutorials, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.